now is absolutely chucking it down, but just had the opportunity between showers to go out and bag myself a couple of rainbow trout. Going to show you the quickest and easiest way of gutting them. Oh, I think it's the quickest and easiest way. I'm sure you all know how to gut a fish, but this might be a bit different, so take a look. Cheers. So normally we gut a fish from the vent to here. We sort of pull out all the insides and we're left with the throat and bits and pieces. We're going to do it slightly differently. So the initial cut is exactly the same. I'll literally just stop up here at the gills. Then I'm going to cut through like in the chin. And I put my thumb in there. And I'm just going to pull out whole inside. And that leaves the gills out, everything, all in one go. Much cleaner fish, just to sort out onto the tap. Hopefully that's a use. Anyway, that's the way I do it. Ready for oven baking, almost. A bit of a clean up, but yeah, quick and easy. 10 seconds of fish, max. Here you go, 2 oven ready trout in 2 minutes each. Thanks for taking time to watch. Don't forget, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Cheers.